So when we talk about operationalizing variables, we mean we define a particular variable and we decide how the attributes and features of the variable should be measured. That's what we mean by operationalizing variables. So let's say you have a data set. You just completed a study. You collected a sample of adults, 21 and above. Let's say they were being honest. They give you info about their weight and height. So this is your data set. The weight in pounds and the height in feet and inches. And from the weight and height, you consult Dr. Google. You apply the formula of BMI from the weight and height provided by the respondents. So this is what you get. And now you decide to classify based on all these BMI values you got, whether they are overweight, obese, normal weight, or underweight. So this is what we mean by operationalizing variables. Are we clear? So as you can see, respondents only provided information about weight and height. But if you assess these two variables separately, it's not as meaningful as you combine these two variables to make it into BMI. You apply certain formula. After you got BMI, you can classify your respondents into obese, overweight, normal weight, or underweight. Are we clear? So this is one example. Let's say representative from government agencies in different counties, they report the number of handicaps in their respective counties. Can we take this as given, or we have to do something more? Can we take this as given? Yes. So we may not have to apply any formula. We can just report the number of handicaps by county. This is one way to operationalize the number of people who are handicapped in each county. So we can report this by itself, number of handicaps. But if you just look at this column, the very first left column, wow, some counties have a lot. Second county and fourth county have a lot of handicaps. If we just look at the very left column, does that represent everything? Does that tell us the whole story? Go figure. And maybe so happen, we can also get the total population from each county in any census website. Trust me. So maybe we enter another column in our data, in our Excel file, in our statistical software, whatever. We just add another column and we enter the number of population in each county. Now, we have two pieces of information. Does that tell us a better story? With the total population in each county, it provides us a way to calculate the percentage of handicapped people in each county. So, we can operationalize the number of people who are handicapped just by looking at the raw numbers, or we enter the total population in each county as well. Then we calculate the percentages of people who are handicapped in each county. So which is more meaningful, this column or this column? This column, right? If we report the number of handicaps by percentages, it's more meaningful. So this is another way we operationalize the number of handicaps in different counties. Example provided by Cody. He got a head start in the discussion question. Are we clear?